Hello, welcome to Jaleh Style. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but hey, I am back. Welcome to Jaleh Style. If this is your first time, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Welcome back to my subscribers. The purpose of this video is to disclose to you where I purchased my pre-loved designer bags. At first, I was trying to figure out if I was going to record my screen on the desktop, create a video. It just became too complicated, and I remember just keep it simple. So I'm keeping it simple, and I'm just going to tell you the site where I purchased my pre-loved designer bags. It's from, drum roll please, Rakuten Japan. Rakuten Japan is where I purchased my pre-loved designer bags. And I've been purchasing from Rakuten Japan almost 10 years. I would say, yes, almost 10 years. I've been purchasing my pre-loved, if not all of them, from Rakuten Japan. Their prices are much less than what you can find at a consignment shop here in the United States. Okay, so if you're looking for a particular bag, a designer bag, and you just may not be able to find it in the US, check Rakuten Japan. If you're looking for a bag and you know that the price maybe seem a little bit too high and it's a pre-loved bag, check Rakuten Japan. Okay, so that is the purpose of this video, is to disclose to you where I purchased my pre-loved designer bags. It's Rakuten Japan. It used to be called Rakuten Global before the pandemic, but now it's called Rakuten Japan. And what you have to do is you have to, in order to have it shipped, like if you live in the United States, they no longer allow the sellers to ship directly to you. The items have to be shipped to their warehouse, Rakuten's warehouse. So you have to do a little identification, verifying your identity, and then they will allow the sellers to ship the goods to them, and then they will ship it to you. Okay, another site, now Rakuten is like the main site, but there is another, shipper service that's called Buyee. That's Buyee. Now on Buyee.com, there are several different Japanese stores. A few of them are consignment shops. You have Rakuten that's on Buyee. There's another, maybe 2 or 3 more consignment shops that's on Buyee. And where what will happen if you decide to use their like third party, proxy kind of service where you purchase through Buyee and they will buy it from the Japanese site. And then the shipper or the seller will ship the goods to Buyee, and Buyee, will have you pay for the shipping cost to be shipped to you. So I use Buyee because I can not only purchase things on Rakuten Japan, but there are so many, over 50 different sites where you can search for anything from electronics to designer bags or designer items. So I just wanted to disclose those 2 wonderful, great secrets of mine, where I get my pre-loved designer goods. That's Rakuten Japan, and that's also Buyee.com. All right, well, this is the purpose of this video, and stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to show you the items that I purchased from Rakuten Japan. All right, y'all take care.